Tamiya plastic models, #1 in quality around the world. Steve here, Shen RC. I'm with the Vanquish that was gifted to me by the RC Elf. God bless them. Anyhow, guys, we're gonna test it out and see how it runs. Like I always say, Tamiya plastic models, #1 in quality around the world. Let's give it a hit and run. Got this little spot here, so let's test it out. I don't want to beat on her too much, but this is kind of rough in the grass. Suspension works real good on it. Oh yeah. She runs good. There's a lot of acorns and stuff here. Check it out. Get some burnouts here. It does some good burnouts. Let's test it out, guys. Oh yeah, she's ripping. Back here. All right, it's a nice spot. Vanquish beauty. Oh, first wreck. I got a leaf stuck in there. Looks pretty good. That's a nice high bank berm in the leaves. Oh, that was a big wreck. I didn't notice I hit a rock there. Right there. Did I scuff her up, guys? Let's see. Oh man, right on the window I scuffed it. Dang it. A little on a spoiler. Well, gotta use them. They're not fun if you don't use them. Whoa! I think I got a stick on the front. Let me see. Oh, it blew off. Oh, there goes another crash. I always ride where there's rocks. That's the problem. Oh well. She's meant to be used. She's meant to be used. I don't know what's in here. I'm just driving. Ah, did it again. Better get out of here. I like this soft dirt over here. It just rips right into it with them knobs. Check her out in the street. The suspension is real nice on it. And that diff splitter they have in there, that extra one, really works good. Alright guys, I think that's enough with this one. Holy crow, it's nice. Let's check it out. Got a few scuffs on it there. A little bit on the spoiler. I got a bend in the back rear spoiler, a little kink right there. You can see it. Oh well. Meant to be used. Let's check the bottom. Bottom looks pretty good. This has a lot of ground clearance. It's a beauty. Thanks to the RC Elf. I don't believe what he done. He's an awesome guy. Check that out. Such a beauty. My wheels hold up. Yeah, they got a little chipped. I was suspecting this to come off because I used the Krylon. Let me check the other side. Oh yeah. I might be able to strip them and maybe just leave them white, or try getting a different kind of paint to paint them. We'll see. I run them anyhow, so it don't matter. Alright guys, if you like that video, please leave me a thumbs up. And there she is. She's a beauty. She runs great. The suspension works awesome on it. And the spiked tires are really nice in this loose dirt here. Guys, thanks for watching again. Please leave a comment, and if you can, give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. I really need those. And hit that bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I'd like to have you aboard. It was fun running this beauty. Thanks to the RC Elf once again. And Shen RC, we'll see you next time.